everybody, I'm so excited to be back. So what have I got for you? I've got none other than my favorite lashes from Shaunz Beauty. Shout out to you, Shaunz World. She's one of the OG YouTubers that I love to watch. She does amazing makeup look. She's very talented, and this is her brand, Shaunz Beauty. I'll probably leave you her website in the description box. She's amazing, and the lashes I'm using with this look are from her, and these ones are called Sensational, just as the Pat McGrath's palettes, and especially this one. So if you want to see, please stay tuned.
Young Betsy, young Betsy, young Betsy.
They say she like a man with enough swag, who has got class and let his jeans sag, who does not brag, know they carry lots, and when it comes to the bar she knows that he goes hard. Damn, Shawty fine die. If you got 8 things, man, Shawty top guy. From ABJ to Lagos, Shawty run towns. And one thing, man, she never let her guys down. Okay, baby, calm down. You know anywhere I go that I shut it down. So come chill with the boss like Hugo, and I'll follow you anywhere you go. And anything you want, you have it. And anything you need, you have it. And anything you want, you have it. Yes. And anything you need, you have it. Say I like the way you roll. Say I like the way you roll. Say I like the way you move. You know you drive me crazy. You know you drive me crazy, Shawty. Other girls come, but you are too fly. You are so nice, you are too shy. Shawty got curve that is so killing, and anytime you come around, you know I catch feelings. Man, Shawty fly die. From the bottom to the top, man, she fly die. You know anything you want, I can settle for, and we can ride around town in my RAV4. Okay, Shawty, what you waiting for? Other girls got nothing, what they hating for? I could be someone you can sleep on, and anytime you got a problem, you can rely on. And anything you want, you have it. And anything you need, you have it. And anything you want, you have it.